Quick walk around video on this Malibu 1965. This car came from a really good customer of ours. He's had a lot of classics over the years, keeps a lot of different vehicles around. This car he bought, from what he told me, basically done, but did basic maintenance. He did not build the motor, but he was told a 327, I think 350 horsepower is what he said. He did do a few things to bring it back to as far as original, using GM hoses. Get the windshield washer fluid. He did some belts and some gaskets and a few other things. It is a power brake car, power steering car, 4-speed. You can see the body lines are very good on the car. One little nicked spot in the paint or clear right there, where it looks like the door may have touched the fender at one point. With an SS Malibu, proper white wall tires, which he did replace. It does have an aftermarket stereo. And of course the interior's been done using actual leather interior. Convertible, 4-speed 327. Fun driving car, really feels good going through the gears. Has dual exhaust. Sounds good, but not aggressive, or not crazy aggressive. A little bit of cam. Doors open and close well. Nice and tight. Hood fitment is good. A few dress-up items under the hood. He had the carburetor rebuilt also. I know he said that. Alignment done. A couple other miscellaneous things, but really cool looking car. Great driver. Cruising. On the border of show quality. I don't know, what would really hold it back. It's a great car. All the way around. Just one nice piece. Check it out in any of our other classics on the website. Thanks for watching.